you stop.
Recording. Go get the pizza, you idiot. Blaine.
Go get the pizza!
Is it recording?
Yes.
Oh. Okay, Blaine is gonna shove a piece of pizza into his mouth. Where's the pizza?
I ate it.
I told you that was the last piece.
You're dumb, then this video is pointless.
Just like me.
Well, whatever, just for the hell of it.
They're dancing. Did your
That is right.
Oh, that hurt. Your ass is too hard. Oh my
Your
god.
ass!
I can't wave to the camera if you keep moving it.
Well, I'm sorry, I'm kind of being sat on.
Let me see your bottle.
Mike, oh God, Lisa.
I was gonna say the hard one.
Well, they're probably both that way, so.
Dude, I don't want him to be hard and sitting on me. Airplane!
So you wiggle! The hard bottle.
The hard guy.
And your pocket starts singing.
Yeah, I can read it.
Is your phone still all fucked up?
But you can't say anything. Well,
We have to make sure he, like, knows what he's
we're
typing.
telling Adam we miss him too.
Yeah.
Well, we do!
He said, "Ugh, I'm missing hanging with you and seeing Blaine be an idiot." Ugness.
Oh, see, I see how I roll.
I know.
Give it at my house!
To the left and a little bit out.
Already.
Are you serious?
Can I get it open?
You glued it shut up!
Oh, you did that. I got pee now. Where's your bathroom?
Oh my God!
I didn't
That's outside, dumbass!
What?
He said he's gonna go to the bathroom when he goes to the door.
What did he do when he got out?
He kicked your bag and then it like stubbed his toe.